Hi everyone, this is Alex and today we'll talk about crypto again. So, the company I'd like to talk today is NEXO. Well, what is NEXO? NEXO is an instant crypto loan company. And the great thing about it, just imagine, for example, you have one Ethereum and depositing in it to NEXO, you can get an instant loan of 50% of the price of your Ethereum to your banking account or to your crypto wallet in US Heather. So what that means, from one Ethereum you can make 1.5 Ethereum with only 8% interest per year if you use their NEXO tokens, which is nothing. So, for example, today Ethereum is like $300. You can deposit it to NEXO and in like 1 year when it will be $2,000 you can sell them, but you will not sell it one, you will sell it 1.5, so you can get a profit from this. That's what fascinates me about this idea of NEXO. And it's not some strange company, Gibraltar or something. This company is powered up by Ecredissimo. This is a leading European credit company for microcredits. So, today I will show you how can you put the money into NEXO and get your first crypto loan. Leave the link for NEXO into the description. Also, so today I'll be using two platforms. One is NEXO and the second one will be KuCoin. I will transfer the loan from NEXO to KuCoin and show how it's done in moments. So stay tuned and let's start. Okay, so you can see we are at our NEXO platform. If you are a new member, you will need to create an account. My account is already created. So you can see that I have at the moment $500 that are available for me for the loan. Also note that the minimum is 500 and the total asset is $1,024. Okay, so let's start the process. Also, I'm doing this for the first time with you guys and we'll see how it goes. And one more thing. If you're depositing anything, it's easy. You go just top up for Bitcoin, you get your address. For Ethereum, the same thing. The difference is you also can earn 6.5%, if I'm not mistaken, on a stable coin. What is a stable coin? Basically, a stable coin is a coin that is 1:1 ratio to US dollar. In this case, you can have True USD, Feather, USD coin, DAI, which is good by the way, and Paxio standard token, which I honestly never used, but other four I have used previously. Okay, so let's go and get our first crypto loan. Okay, so what should we do? We withdraw funds from credit line? I think yes. Okay, so I would like to go with USDT. How much? 502. Okay, let's make it 75 cents. There's no commission. Okay, so let's go to a crypto exchange, KuCoin. I have logged into it. In KuCoin, after you registered, you'll need to go to Assets to get this menu. Then you go to Main Account and we'll search for USDT. Okay, we have it. Deposit. Okay, so there's different options. Okay, let's see what kind of wallet is supported. Well, basically they give no information, so I think this one only will be the option number 1. The source is mining. my identification code. This will be 106010. I agree, withdraw. Okay, so it's sent. We are going to the account. Okay, so the credit line is here. It's all done. Let's go to KuCoin to see if our funds have arrived. Not yet. So we'll wait and see how long will it take to get the money. So after waiting like more than an hour, I've got my funds transferred. So now I have my funds at my Nexo account and I have $502.75 on my KuCoin account, which I can withdraw to my Bitcoin card or to use to purchase other assets. So if you're up for the same operation, you can get the Nexo link below, also the KuCoin link below, and note that I've used the Omni wallet format, which worked for me perfectly with Nexo system. Okay, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!